In this video, we will explore how to create a Raspberry Pi power manager using a multifunctional timer. Uncontrolled power loss can corrupt the SD card, potentially causing system failure or data loss. A power manager provides a graceful shutdown, protecting the Raspberry Pi and preventing file system corruption. By customizing the timer's functions, we can turn it into a reliable Raspberry Pi power manager. The timer monitors an external trigger to supply power to the Raspberry Pi. It then tracks the Pi's shutdown feedback output to know when it is safe to disconnect power. There are two timer models to choose from for this setup. The Wi-Fi-enabled timer features two outputs, allowing it to control the shutdown of the Raspberry Pi directly. The multifunctional timer, on the other hand, supplies power to the Raspberry Pi and monitors shutdown feedback to safely disconnect power. The startup and shutdown of the Raspberry Pi can vary based on the application. For instance, the Raspberry Pi can be started by pressing a button, activating ignition, or opening a vehicle door. Shutdown commands can be sent through a button press, ignition switch off, or other actions. Please review the manual to determine which method works best for your project. If you have custom ideas or need specialized functions, don't hesitate to contact us.